So we are going to discuss about a different type of cables. First of all, because we discussed about a NIC and in the part of NIC also, we discussed about MAC address and IP address and how to check IP address and MAC address and how do you know IP address is manually configured. I got it from the DHCP server. Okay, next one is to connect the devices. You may use the cables. Okay, nowadays we are using Wi-Fi type only, means wirelessly only we are communicating, but still we are using a different type of cables in the network. In the olden days we use a coaxial cable. Coaxial cable. Pair means UTP or STP cables. Okay. Fiber optical cables. Fiber optical cable or a media, what it is there. So these are the three type of cables we are using. Coaxial cable, guys, because we didn't put a matter there. So coaxial cable. So in a coaxial cable, so this is the coaxial cable, but if I connect, it is entirely it is showing. Okay, so I will take it from here. Coaxial cable. So this is how the cable is look like. Okay, so this is the center core cable, guys. Center one copper cable. Can you able to see the copper one, the center one? And to connect to any device. Okay, so we need this connectivity, the connectors. Okay, junction connectors. So many different type of connectors are there. This is the one connector. And in India, we use these things for cable TV purpose. Okay, we are still using this is for a cable TV purpose. And another one is what we can say. What we can say still a dish TV also from dish. Okay, so in a apartment top floor there is a dish. Okay, from dish to your home, so there is a cable. Okay, so that is also this type of axial cables we are using. Different type of connectors. These are different type of connectors. This is a center connector. You can see. This is a correct one to explain, but there is a problem. Okay, the center copper cable. This is good. Got it. Okay, there is a center copper conductor is there. Okay, coaxial cable only will tell only 1 or 2 points. Okay, the center copper conductor it use it to transfer main signal. Main signal. So main signal passes through signal. Okay. Okay. Next, the copper shield. You can see the surrounded by a copper shield used to protect happening. Use it to protect the main signal from from EMI. From EMI. What is EMI? Electromagnetic so what is I am typing all spelling mistakes. Electromagnetic that one easy one only. Induction. Electromagnetic induction. Okay, what is EMI? Electromagnetic induction. EMI cause start. Yeah, so forget about it. Yeah, that point anyway I will report. Okay, there is a copper shield. What is use of this copper shield? It is protect your main signal from electromagnetic induction. Supporting cable distance. Supporting the cable 800 meters approximately. 800 meters distance is there. Nowadays we are not using these cables for a network communication. Okay, for net communication we are not using coaxial cables. Okay, we are using twisted pair cables like this. We are using twisted pair cables. What is twisted pair cables? There is a pair of wires. There is a pair of wires. Twisted pair cable. It is a pair of wires are twist each other. Number of pair of wires twist each other. In that one, we have an unshielded twisted pair cable. Shielded twisted pair cable is there. What is a pair of wires twist each other. Okay, so this is how UTP STP thing. Okay, so yeah, which is another problem. Okay, so this is UTP STP kind of stuff. Okay, how the cables are look like. This is, you can see this is how the cables and how they are twisting each other. This is STP cable. See, these are wires. These wires are two wires are twisting each other like this, and there is a shield on it. Okay. This is also clear one. Okay, guys. The pair of wires are twist each other. Unshielded twisted pair cable, and this is shielded twisted pair cable. So what is the difference? Both are same cables only, same wire, same twist only. Only thing is there is a shielding. Okay. Why we need to twist these wires, guys? To reduce the attenuation. Attenuation means it is a kind of stopping kind of stuff. Like a you are the it will decay your signal transmission speed. It will corrupt your signal shaping also. Okay. So number of twist increases, attenuation decreases. So then attenuation decreases, speed of data transmission increases. Okay. The shield we are using in a shielded twisted pair cable to protect your data from electromagnetic interference. What is this EMI? Why? Because EMI is a electromagnetic interface, means lot of electromagnetic signals are now outside that may affect on your wires signals. So what happen? It causes mixture of signals. Mixture of signal. One voice is mixed with another voice. What happen? So it's become another voice, right? So it is not become otherwise. It is a become disturbance. Okay, we don't understand what it is. Okay. Same way, electromagnetic interference interfere with our main signal. It causes a crosstalk. It is a mixture of signals, so we don't get what. So next important point is we use a RJ45 connector and socket to connect these things. Okay. So we also call this one as a 4-pair cable. It contains 8 wires. There are color coded. So like the wires are color coded. It is like a blue wire is there, orange wire is there, green wire is there, brown wire is also there, and their paired wires are there. Their paired wires are there, like a white blue kind of stuff. So for you, I'm going to change this part. There are color coded wires like this. Okay. Very important is two colors wires. That's why I'm writing those things are first. One is orange, another one is green. Orange wire is twisted with white orange. Why it is called a white orange? There is actually it is white wire and line there is a orange. There is a small line. It is written that is a orange color line on the white wire. You can see this is orange wire. This is the white wire with a small line on it. You can easily observe from here and here. Okay. Next one is green wire. Their pairing wire is white green. Next one is blue wire. Their pairing wire is white blue. Brown wire. So like this, these are all color coded. Okay. So totally we have 8 wires and we call it as a 4-pair cable. Okay. In our cable, we see UTP STP array. It is a 8 wires are there and we call it as a 4-pair cable. To connect these cables in the network, we are using RJ45 connector. What is RJ? Registered jack. I can put here also, but I put there. So this is the RJ45 connectors. This is the connector, guys. For a cable, we insert a cable like this. Cable will be, these colors are connected like this. Okay, these are the things. Okay, guys. So this is how RJ45 connector is there, and also I will show you few things like this is a categories are there. So these are having cables, right? We have a cables. The cables also having categories. UTP or STP cables are in a category. So I am writing different categories. First of all, I am writing about a Cat6 cable. Okay. Cat6 is, I am sure it is 1 Gbps. Different places, different type of information is there. So we are not sure about it. Cat 5E is a 500 to 600 Mbps data transmission speed is there. What is this? Next, Cat 5 support 100 Mbps speed. Cat 4 support 16 Mbps support, as I remember. Cat 3 support 10 Mbps speed. But important is these things, guys. These are important. Okay. These are very old one. Cat 2, Cat 3 and all. Cat 2 support only 4 Mbps. Cat 1 support. Some people said it is a 1 Mbps. Still there is a doubt because it is a RJ11 type of connector, not RJ45 connector. All are RJ45, but that is RJ11 connector. It is for a old telephone. Now we are using fiber optic. Okay, so just don't go to that one, guys. It's a, you know, if you remember any telephone cables? Okay, telephone, hand telephone cables are, the cable that is RJ11 cable, and it is not even a 4-pair; it is a 2-pair cable. But from here it is all are RJ45. It support RJ45, regular LAN cables or LAN cables, and it is 4-pair wire. So this is what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys, this is the different categories. Next one, this is different tools are using in a network. So different tools we are using. So this is a testing tool. Like we have a cable. So a cable having a two type of ends, right? So one cable, a cable is there. So means it contains this end is there and this end is also there. Okay, two ends, right? So in this cable, maybe at this side or maybe at this end, means the way it is connected, it may be not be properly connected or maybe connected properly. We don't know, right? So then inside of this cable wires, if any problem is there, we will understand the cable is good or not. Cable is good or not, we should get it from the testing. So one side of cable will connect here, another side of cable will connect it, and we'll see the LED observation. So then we'll understand cable is good or not. Something goes wrong, then we will go to repair the cable or throw the cable away. Okay, to test the cable. To test the cable, we are using a testing. This is crimping tool. So this is a crimping tool. See, this is RJ45 connector. This is our UTP cable. So you have to connect like this, like you have to connect like this. So what we need a crimping tool. So you have to open these wires from the cable. So put the wires in a proper order and insert into this RJ45 connector, put it into crimping tool. Or try any YouTube videos to understand how to do that one. Okay, so these are the tools we use in RJ in this network. Yes, this is called a patch cable or a LAN cable. We can see this is a patch cable or a LAN cable. So this is our patch cable or a LAN cable. And make it a little smaller. Guys, this is called a patch cable or a LAN cable. So can we add something on it? Replace image, editing, commenting. I'll make it like this. Patch cable, or you can say LAN cable. Guys, in cables, I'm not trying to tell how the configuration, but in this patch cables also there is a different types of cables based on the connectivity. So for example, there is a straight through cable is there, or a straight cable, or a straight through cable. Okay, straight through cable. So what is use of this straight through cable is whenever you want to connect a two type of devices, similar devices. Similar devices means PC to PC, switch to switch, or hub to switch, switch hub to switch hub, to switch, hub to hub, kind of stuff. PC to router for communication, not for configuration. Okay. Similar devices. Next one is crossover. No, I done mistake. I have a done mistake. Reversely I told, sorry. I have to change. This is crossover, so this is crossover. This is crossover. Crossover is similar devices. Through cable. Okay, what is straight through cable? Different devices. Straight cable or a straight through cable, different devices. Okay, for example, why it is gone? Different devices, PC to switch or hub. Router, like that, for communication. Yeah, why another part of cable is also there, that is, go to that. Rollover cable. Okay, another cable is rollover cable is also. Definitely we should do something. Okay, this rollover cable used for connecting your PC to router or a switch for configuration purpose. Okay, it is a console connection. Console connection. So how it is connected? PC's serial port, serial port also called as RS232 or a COM port. It's communication port to router, or it can be a switch. These are the different type of cable connecting, guys. Straight through cable. You have PC, you are connected to switch, or you are connecting switch to router. We use a straight through cables. Okay, similar type of devices like a crossover we have to use. Of course, how the pin configuration is there is also is there, but I'm not going to that. It is little kind of stuff. Okay, so 5, 6, 8, 6. Okay. So to use this is a crossover kind of stuff. I have to verify whether it is this one is correct, this one is correct. So if you look at here, white green means you take like this. Take a cable like this. One side of cable is this one, another side of cable is that one. Okay, both are same. Can you see? Both are same means it is a straight through cable. So white or white green, green, white orange, and this is the sixth one is orange. You don't understand also, not a problem. Just I have it, I got it, then try it. Okay, guys, straight through cable means it follows same order in a both the side of pin. In a both the pins will follow same color code. Okay, in a crossover, it is reverse. So whatever the color we are using in one side of first pin is a different. It will go to third pin. Okay, in crossover means this. It's a kind of 1326. They follow this kind of stuff. The first pin is go to third pin. Third pin is go to first pin. Okay, sorry, simple. First pin go to third pin. So, first pin color go to third pin. Second pin color go to sixth pin. From this side also same thing. This is first pin color go to third. Second pin color go to sixth. Okay. You don't know about. Guys, this is how twisted pair cables are there. Oh, I thought I will cover today more parts of thing. Guys, understanding or simply something I'm telling a story you're listening?
Understanding, sir.
Understand, sir.
Okay, next type of cables are fiber optical cable, guys. It is a made up of glass. It's okay, it's a glass cables. Inside of fiber optical cables, it is actually it is a material is glass material. So glass is not a metallic material, so no electromagnetic interference on it. Okay, electromagnetic interference are very less. Electromagnetic interference is a very less on these cables. So no problem with the electromagnetic interference because it is not a metallic part. Okay. So here we use a light wave signal to transmit the data, whereas coaxial cables and UTP STP cables use a electrical signal to transmit the data. What is use of fiber optic cable? Very long distance communication. Very long distance communications and very high speed data transmission. Okay, so in UTP STP cables, UTP STP cables 100 meters distance limit is there. But coming to the fiber optical cable, of course, there will be some distance kind of stuff, but still we can able to put a very long distance. Not used for a regular LAN communication. Why also will tell. It is a cheaper as well as a cost part is also there. We are all getting internet through fiber optical cables. Guys, this is a site. I'll show you this site here. This opening. This is a submarine cable map from our India and other countries. Lot of undergo and the under ocean there is a cables are there. On earth cables are there and under ocean cables are there. Maybe when you are going on a roadside, sometimes you can see OFC cables are here. Do not dig here. Don't dig here. OFC cables are underground. Sometimes you see in a very mid noon, okay, people are digging up something from the so they will try to repair these fiber optical cables. Okay, so and underground there is a cables, and under oceans, mainly under oceans we have a cables. See, where is India? This is India. Okay, find out where is India. See, here it is a Mumbai, Gujarat, one line is also there. Here it is a Visakhapatnam, from Visakhapatnam one line is also there. Okay, from here, Chennai, some Kurai, something it is there, Trivandrum, Cochin, Sri Lanka, Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweeps, Maldives. Okay, you can see. Okay, like this, you can see South Africa, America, South America, Australia. So how they are connecting through washes and their statuses. So we can see their status and cable types also will get it. And countrywide also you can search which country you want to check it. Like India by search by cabling and trending country like India. Okay, connected to India, lower Indian version to okay Indian. So many are coming connected to India. See you can see these are all cables are connected to India. Okay, guys. So we are getting a internet through the fiber optic cables, and it is globally connected through washers. And I said fiber optical cables are costlier and as well as cheaper, and when we don't use it for our regular LAN communication. So I will tell why it is, guys. Fiber optic cables are used at a server side storage related. Okay, but if you are using for a LAN in a regular LAN communication instead of twisted pair cables, I'm using a fiber optical cables. I went to a shop one day, so I'm trying to buy a cables, twisted pair cables, because I want to learn how to do this cable part. Okay, how to prepare like this. I want to buy these equipments and the this cable because of our in organizations they can give tools, but they don't give these RJ45s and all. In the starting time of my career, I want to learn this cabling. Okay, because it's a part of our thing, right? So then so one guy is told me that's why you are want to use this UTP STP. It is costly because it's a copper material. This is contain copper material. Copper is a metal and it is a costly, right? Copper is a next gold, silver, copper. So it's a third material, almost like a, in a demand in that one. Okay, but this is a fiber optic cable made up of glass. Glass is made up of sand. Okay, so there is a core cable, cladding, and strength. It is very simple, and it is more flexible also, and cheaper. Okay, and really now, guys, it's a relevant cheaper, so relevant costly. For example, I have a desktop. Then I want to use a fiber optical cable. Then in my desktop, I have to insert this one. Like a NIC, normal NICs we have by default, but I have to buy this one. This is a HBA, host bus controller. Okay, so what is this? Amazon, yeah, very good. Amazon. I'll go to HBA. Okay, so see, this is around HBA logic connector. So that is no, not this one. Yeah, this one. It is, see, it is 12G HBA RAID controller. Yeah, this is for again storage purpose only. See this, the board itself, it is costly, and this is different. Not this cable one. So I want a fiber optical LAN connector. It is showing a HBA and a different connector. First of all, FC cables. So this is the fiber optic cable. You can see. So patch cables, patch cords, patch cables, fiber optical cables. It is. Okay, but if anything it is not working, something like that. Okay, so it's a 255 rupees. And here it is showing. If something it is not working, if it is not working, then what to do? You should have a separate equipment for testing it. It is also, testing part is also costly, and you should know each and every different type of connecting type. See, this is a different type connector, this is a different type connector. Okay, so two different type of connectors. Okay, depends upon your requirements, your connectivity will changes. Okay, see, this is another different, this is different connector. Okay, and you must know how to put it. The putting that is a very easy, but the thing is the connectivity sometimes it may not give proper things. Okay, and the switches, and you need a fiber optical switches, right? Fiber optical connectors, fiber optical NICs we should require. So then, so you want a speed, but you are not using that much speed, but still you have to put a lot of cost in it. And another one is for laptops, you cannot put any additional device, right? You should be have a built-in feature of laptop, but it is won't happen. So then it is not useful. But guys, these fiber optical cables, these connectivities using at, okay, we are getting this, okay, mostly of course used in server, storage, or very high speed data transmission. So used in a servers, storage devices, and networking. Which networking? Not regular networking. So in a core networking part, use it for a high-speed data transmission purpose. Okay, server to storage devices. Okay, and networking devices, SAN storages. Okay, example SAN use fiber optical cables. Okay, guys. So this is what I'm trying to say. Guys, understand up to this cable part? Any doubts? Actually, today I think I can finish these devices, but I hope you got the point, that is how to check IP address, MAC address. So Monday we'll discuss about on Monday we'll discuss about devices, OS layers. Okay, so then we don't get much time. So only maximum we are going with 2 hours, 3 hours. But compulsory read, guys, what are we discuss about a service desk and networking basics also. Please read it. How to check system configuration and other things. Okay. So Monday we'll discuss about devices, and we'll also discuss about a OS layer. After that one, we'll go with the IP address. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye, guys.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
excuse me, sir.
tell me. I can able to hear.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, as
Yeah.
you said that we transfer information in the form of light from the fiber optical cables. Sir, how can
Yes.
we convert information in the form of light? There is
Yeah.
any
This.
device?
Yeah. There is a device. Means your NIC. This one will be convert. Okay. So I
Oh,
am
okay.
trying to see. This is the cable, but cable connector will be there. No? So we have to connect the cable to something. Okay. The NIC, like a in our system, data in the form of one kind of signal, but when you connect different signal, like when you connected to Wi-Fi, when you connected to Wi-Fi, okay, that data is transmitting. Okay, data is transmitting is like what we can say in the radio form. Okay, in the
Oh, okay, sir.
radio. Okay,
Yes.
so just what are
Sir,
the interface it is, what are the NIC for a fiber optical cables. Okay, so that will tell you. So NIC for cable. Actually, HBA is there. That is actually host bus adapter. This is showing different kind of stuff like this. So this is inserted into system. This is connectivity, and same way like a switches also works like that only. So fiber optical type only. So this will go to insert into server. All are diagrams only. So this is a switch for connectivity. Like this connection. And also, if possible, guys, I'll try to forward certain videos, and then also will give you suggestion. Okay. So normally, my classes are lengthy classes because I'm explaining to you like that. Okay. So this is a channel that is called a power set animated videos. Even I don't prefer to tell to people from here. But one thing is why I'm telling nowadays is uh, because you have a doubt, like a small doubt is there. You don't understand what is this switch or a fiber optical cable or maybe a LAN cable or maybe a WAN and LAN kind of concept. You can see this is the uh, LAN WAN differences is there. Okay, if you don't get it, so it is a 5 to 10 minutes video animated. So then instead of more words, animated will give you more easy to understand. So I am sharing the link. So then you will know the what channel it is. So you will understand from it. But guys, do not depend on it. Guys, compulsory once you watch it, 1 hour you understand. Once you watch it, you understand it. Then what to do? And watch it again and note down the each and every point. Okay, so note down the each and every point. Okay. Then and practice 3 things. First, watch it. Second, watch it, but second time note down the points. Third time, try to practice. Okay, try to practice. So yeah, here it is some cable information also there. So go through that one.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, during the interview, is it possible that during the technical round, the interviewer is going to ask questions from outside the things that you're teaching, or is it going to be within the syllabus that you're
Interviewer
teaching us?
can able to ask anything from anywhere. Okay, these are the basic guidelines, guys. These are the basic guideline we are giving. So basically, there are questions from here. So there is no tie-up like a questions and an answer type is not there. Only we have undershape, but not an interview tie-up. But point is, guys, you have to study. Keep digging. I said no. So first of all, basic self thing is important. Means whatever you understand, do not stick to the 5.6 points. Okay, keep exploring. And if anything he is asking, you can able to tell an answer. Interview does not mean it is not your academic examination. In academic exam, we study, there is a question, there is an answer, we read it and we will write it on the time of, at the time of exam, right? Interview, it is about you, how you think, how you understand. Okay. So right or wrong answers are separate. So how you understand the subject, how you can able to think, how much you are interested in this particular thing. Okay, so that's the point. So that's the point, guys. So try to go much. Okay, first of all, whatever I told, that first of all finish it. Okay, so compulsory because it's a small points only. Okay, small points. Still, if you want to explore, you can explore it. Okay, and in interview also there is mainly about you what you know. That is first important. Of course, service desk questions compulsory is there. Okay, so that is the. I keep forwarding something like that. Sorry, I didn't check it. But this is not a waste of time, as you know, because I have seen from our sir also, and also 1 hour 2 times I checked it like this from people. Okay, for sharing the links. Okay. We don't give any waste of time because it's a 5 to 10 minutes video, anytime, anywhere. So you can keep going one by one. And they're also separated these things like a networking part and hardware part also. A plus means hardware part, N plus means networking part. Information technology means it's a overall technology. Anything can be there inside. Okay, that's the point, guys. So whether you subscribe or not subscribe, I don't know about this one. So because it's not mine. Okay, whether you watch it or not, watching it is purely depends upon you. So better to go once to check what are the things you have a doubted part. Okay, doubted parts. Once you watch it, if you got the point, then watch it again or note down and keep practicing. Okay, I'm keep telling guys every day, that is you must read it. You must read or you must note the point. Okay, must get the point. Then you have to practice in the terms of how to tell an answer. Okay, so if someone like an interviewer ask a question, you have to tell an answer. How you tell an answer? If you practice and then try 2-3 times, you will tell in a smoother way. Smoothness, easiness, like you know very well type. Okay. So things are there, no? So you are just trying to tell an answer. You know it, but you know it, but and you're trying to give an answer, but it is the murmurings, the sentence formations, the speed of telling an answer. That means the immediately telling answer. The thing will be less, but if you practice the smooth way, lesser mistakes. With less mistakes in a grammatical mistakes, mother tongue influence mistakes, thinking also will increases, guys. Thinking. Okay, the people are doing a very big mistake. Even we tell people ignoring it. So what is my point is, guys, if you're learning any point of subject, I will keep thinking about it. Keep thinking. Some people, so life is different, job is different. Nothing without job, the life is just people put a one question mark at your life only. Okay, so point is job is life. It is yours, your subject, your passion. I'm passionate about music, sir, but I'm doing this job. Then don't forget about the job. Do music. Okay, people are trying to convey you guys. There is a both two are different. No, no, no. That is not that is a nonsense. Not two things. So forget about it, guys. Just study, guys. Practice. Don't waste time. We have very less time. That's it for today. Bye bye. Whether I stop recording or not, I didn't stop recording.